In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your security code on Gmail using a PC step by step. Security codes are an important part of protecting your Google account, especially if you use two-step verification for extra security. Google makes it easy to access these codes directly from your account settings. And in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer and go to Google. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner and click the Sign In button. Enter your Google account email address and password to access the account where you want to view your security code. Make sure you log into the correct Gmail account before continuing. After signing in, click on Gmail to open your inbox. Once your Gmail dashboard appears, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture or account icon. This will open a small menu with different account options connected to your Google profile. From the menu, click on Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to your Google Account Settings page, where you can manage personal information, privacy settings, and security features. On the left-hand side of the page, locate and click on the Security tab. This section contains all the tools related to protecting your Google account. Inside the security settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Two-Step Verification. Click on it to continue. You may be asked to confirm your password again for security reasons. Once inside, you'll see several verification methods connected to your account, including backup codes and authenticator app settings. To view your security code, click on Authenticator or the option connected to your authentication app. Here, Google will display the QR setup and the rotating verification codes associated with your account. These codes are used for two-factor authentication and help keep your account secure when logging in from new devices or locations. If you need backup security codes instead, you can also find the backup codes section within the same two-step verification area. Google allows you to generate and save backup codes that can be used if you lose access to your phone or authenticator app. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view your security code on Gmail using a PC. Keeping two-step verification enabled is one of the best ways to protect your Google account from unauthorized access and improve your online security. Hopefully, this guide helped you find your security settings quickly and manage your account more safely.